Some people tried to convince me not to do it, but I still going to do it. Yes, former Kingston College quarter miler Akeem Bloomfield and former St. Jago 400 runner Nathan Allen, both now at Auburn University in the USA, both ran personal best times the other day. Allen 44.52 and Bloomfield 44.81. Both of them spoke to the media. Listen first to Nathan Allen.
I mean, I always see myself being the best at whatever I do. So right now I see myself being a world championship, doing something spectacular for myself, my family, and my country. So I'm just working with the coaches. They have been really good, patient with me. I'm just looking forward to the trials and the games.
Quite reasonable. Big up yourself, Nathan Allen. Now listen to Akeem Bloomfield.
So the first couple months while I was there, it was just straight treatment, and I got over it. And we've started a lot of strength work. So that's really what the program is geared towards, getting me strong, and then before, so that my body can handle all the races and the running and the rounds.
Wanna hear the twang? Akeem Bloomfield left Jamaica last September, just over 6 months ago, and the big 40th man turned American. I wonder if he's going to get to run at the American trials. The man sound like I never come see. I put it to you that the next time we hear from Akeem Bloomfield in an interview, he might get a thing like this. Jamaica? Where is Jamaica? Oh, I'd love to visit Jamaica. I'd love to go to Champs and see what Champs is like. But what's the name of that school? Calabar? Or is it Kingston College? I want to go to Jamaica.